Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will learn how to install the .NET Core framework, and then we will verify the installation whether to check successfully installed or not. As you know, .NET Core is an open source and cross-platform framework. So you can use any type of operating system such as Windows, Mac and Linux for ASP.NET Core Web API development. So in this video series, I am using Windows operating system. Once you decide to operating system, then you need to install .NET Core SDK on your machine. For that, open this link in your browser. By default, Windows is selected here. If you are using different operating system, you can select the operating system here. Okay, see here, it's .NET SDK current version is 6. We have more than two options here. First, let's understand the difference between these. First one is download .NET SDK 64. Okay, it means if you want to develop, build, run, test and deploy your .NET Core application, then you need to download this one. If you install the .NET SDK, then no need to install .NET Runtime separately. Second, .NET Runtime, okay, is required only to run .NET Core applications. It just contains the resources or libraries that are required to run existing .NET Core applications. All .NET 6 downloads, here we can download the current version, all .NET versions. If you want to download old versions, you can download here. Now click this button to download. Once download complete, show in folder, then open this file, then click install. I have already installed .NET SDK in my machine, so I click close. Once you click the install, then you need to follow all the instructions that are available on this window. No need to install anything for ASP.NET Core separately. Once you have installed .NET SDK, then you have to verify the installation. In Windows, open command prompt anywhere. If you are using Mac operating system, go to the terminal. I am using command prompt. Then type .NET, then press enter. If the installation is successful, we should get the output like this. If you are getting any error, means there is some issue in installation. Now, in order to verify the versions installed on our machine, we have to use this command .NET space dash dash info, then press enter. See here, .NET version is 5.0.402. Runtime environment, these are operating system details. Operating system Windows version platform base path. Okay, .NET SDK installed. Um, you can notice here .NET runtimes also installed. Okay, I hope this video is helpful to you. Thanks to everyone.